Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or enter safe mode with networking on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu or start menu and select the power button icon and then tap the shift key on your keyboard, or I really should say hold it down while selecting Restart, and give this a moment for Windows to launch into the troubleshooting menu. Select Troubleshoot, and then select Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings, change Windows startup behavior, and then select Restart. And then you want to tap the F5 or Function 5 key to enable safe mode with networking, and give that a moment. And that's all you have to do. And if you want to get out of safe mode, you can always just restart your computer. So just right click on the start button and then just restart. And it should launch you back into the normal Windows operating environment. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.